Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife buddy. Here we are, guys, back with another episode for Walk and Talk, episode 66. We are back at it. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Been a couple of days since I've dropped a video. Got the Bark River out. Gunny Hunter, as usual. I believe you guys are going to like this video. So, we'll jump right into her. Hope everybody's doing good. It's a cold day here in East Tennessee. Maybe you're doing some Christmas shopping. Or whatever you do around the holidays. Hopefully you're getting some knives. Maybe you're getting a new knife for Christmas. Let me know if you're getting a new knife for Christmas. Us knife guys, some of us have to buy our own knives if it comes to presents. So there's our product here. It's kind of hard for people in the family to kind of be into your knife hobby, so to know what to get you. By the way, I got another video right here too. That's another video though. Here we are. Got another bolus in here. There she is. Natural. I believe this, yeah, this is canvas, natural canvas micarta. Let's get that right there. Check that out. Is that sweet or what? I love some natural canvas micarta. Speaking of natural canvas micarta, check this out, guys. Some Buckeye burl. Now, what would I be doing with a big brick of Buckeye burl here? I'm going to try my hands at some knife making, so I'm going to try to do some fixed blades. I've got the stuff. I've been doing this since 2017. Been collecting up the stuff, and I'm about there, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, back to the video. More to come on the knife making, so keep an eye out for that. Here we are with another bolus drop point. Man, do I love that drop point. Look at that. Should have done these videos. I was planning on doing them Friday. It's been raining for a couple of days, and then yesterday I was planning on cranking them out early in the morning, and I cut myself really good, and I was bleeding all day yesterday, so bleeding through the bandage, so we're doing them today. Very sweet knife. Check that out. Let's take a look around her here. I shut up from yakking. Got a lot to say and a little time to do it. Very nice. Feels pretty good. Nice and smooth. Smooth as you can get some canvas micarta, I guess. Let's check that walk and talk. Man, it's probably a 6.5. Yeah, definitely a 6.5. Blade don't want quite to fall there. Let's try that again. Not bad, not bad. Probably needs a little more. Oh, they put some grease on these knives here. You can see it there. It looks like they use some of that Permatex anti-seizing compound with a copper in it. On the slip joints, they use looks like a white lithium grease, but these have like a Permatex on them. Very nice. Let's check that centering out. It's on the money. Let's check the weight out on here. Let's see what we got going on with the weight. Feels pretty. It don't feel like it's got much weight to it, so yeah, 60, 66.2. Let's check it again. These scales are kind of cheap, so yeah, 66.3 on the grams. Cheap scales, so you kind of got to play around with them a little bit. Very nice. I like. Has a good feel to it, and like I said before, it's got a, I think I said on another video, it's got a 4-finger grip on it. I got a rather large hand, so very sweet. I don't think I've got any close-up shots of her there. Check that drop point out. Let me wipe her off gently. There. Very sweet. I love that drop point. I'm a super fan of drop points compared to the old Gunny Hunter there. I believe this is M390. Yeah, M390 on the blade steel, as usual. These are sweet, nice. I bet these would make a great working knife. Feel good in the hand. You can do some cutting with that. Well, there she is, guys. I believe that's going to wrap this one up. Let's take a look around her one more time here. Got the leather, round leather lanyard there. Very nice. Construction looks all nice. That's going to wrap it up, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. So stay tuned for more videos. We're going to try to hit 75 videos before the end of the year. I don't know if we can do it, but we're going to try. So we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Hillbilly is over and out of here. Peace.